Do you know what you are living for? One of the greatest tragedies is for a person to live his whole life with no purpose, sense of direction, or goals. Life is like a long journey, but we each approach it in different ways. Some people have planned destination and consult a map or GPS along the way to make sure they are on track. Others live spontaneously, just going wherever the road takes them. Whose plan are you following? In 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 10 reminds us that God has a plan for each of our lives. That's why He has given us talents, abilities, and skills to help people and accomplish the things He wants us to accomplish. We are to put these gifts to work to serve one another as God's good stewards. Whatever gifts we have received, God gave them to use for the purpose of serving others. Therefore, we should never underestimate what God can do in our lives. We can miraculously open doors and provide the resources we need to succeed. Amen.